Now gradually shift your awareness on eyebrow center. Concentrate on eyebrow center. Focus in between your two eyebrows. While concentrating on eyebrow center, chant the mantra Om together. Make a deep breath in. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Slowly bring your palms each together, rub your palms nicely. And apply on top of your closed eyes. Slowly, with a few blinks, open your eyes. Okay. Now you are slowly come stand up. Samasthiti, feet together. Come one end of the mat with your feet together. Keep your palms on your abdomen. Inhale, abdomen expand, and exhale, tight your abdomen. And keep your abdomen still and keep your hands on your ribs. Inhale, expand your ribs. And exhale, join your palms in Namaste. Breathe normally. Keep your eyes closed. In front of your closed eyes, visualize the beautiful sun. While looking at the sun, chant the prayer. Om Hiranmayenam Patrenam Satyasya Vihidam Mukham Tattvam Pushannam Pavrano Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Om. Open your eyes. 1, exhale. 2, inhale, hands structure. 3, exhale, bend forward. Right leg, 4, inhale, right leg back. 5, exhale, Parvadasana. 6, hold the breath, Ashtanga Namaskara. 7, inhale, Bhujangasana. 8, exhale, Parvadasana. 9, inhale, left leg front. 10, exhale, Padahastasana. 11, inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. 12, exhale. Left side, 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, left leg, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale, Bhujangasana. 8, exhale. 9, right leg front, inhale. 10, exhale, feet together. 11, inhale, hands up. 12, exhale. Relax, breathe normally. Relax, come back. Now second round. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, right leg, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale, left leg front. 10, exhale. 11, inhale. 12, exhale. Left side. 1, 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Breathe normally. Now third round. 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold the breath, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left side. 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, left leg. 5 exhale, 6 hold the breath, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Relax, normal breathing. Now 3 rounds, practice with Bija Mantra, fast. So don't make a mistake your left and right side, concentrate, and at the same time repeat the Bija Mantra mentally. 1, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha, Om Hram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Left, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Relax. Count 3 breath. Fifth round. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Left. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Normal breathing. 6. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Left. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hroom, Om Hraim, Om Hrom, Om Hraha. Separate your feet little bit. Relax. Next 6 round, do it slowly. Slow down your body movements and make your deep breath. Practice Ujjayi breathing. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. Exhale. 4, inhale. Bend more. 5, exhale. 6, hold. 7, inhale. exhale. 9. Inhale. Left one. 10. Exhale. 11. Inhale. 12. Exhale. Left. 2. Inhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Hold. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 9. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 11. Inhale. 12. Exhale. Now, normal breathing. 1, 2, 3. 8th round. Ujjayi breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Make it slow. Practice with the pranayama. Ujjayi. Inhale. Continue. Breathe until finish your round. Exhale. Don't break your breath in between. Inhale. Right leg. Exhale. Hold the breath. Kumbhakam. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Kumbhaka. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Visrambi. 9. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Kumbhaga. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Kumbhaga. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Continue 3 more rounds. You keep practice with Ujjayi breathing. I will repeat the mantras, 12 mantras for 12 postures. So when I say Om, you start the practice, start to move your body. When I in Namaha, you are in a full stretch. Na, ma, ha. These three syllables, the 3 mantra, 3 words, you take it like a for stretching. Namaha. Okay. 1. Om Mishra Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Dhanave Namaha. Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Akaya Namaha. Om Vaskraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kadhaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Narise Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Akhay Namaha. Om Bhaskara Namaha. Istangi 11. Om Mitraయ Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Ushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara Namaha. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara. Visranti. Breathe normally. Last round you're going to practice, 12th round. So everybody do your best. Make your poster more and more beautiful. Om Mitra Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Surya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Rave Namaha. Om Surya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kathaya Namaha. Om Kushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Mariche Namaha. Om Aditya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara Namaha. Now separate your feet, Shidila Tadasana, for experience the effect and the changes from your physical and mental body. Just keep your eyes closed and loose your hands. And become sensitive on your body, especially on your fingers, fingertips. So these are the most sensitive parts in your body. You experience kind of pulsations, stimulations on your palms, fingers and fingertips. Experience the presence of prana in your body. Surya Namaskara will increase the prana shakti, the vital force. You can experience the prana in different forms. Feeling of hot, feeling of itching, or you feel something moving in your body, some pulsations in different parts of your body. Just to scan your body and whatever experience there, just absorb that and waits for some time to become normal condition of your body. For the more relaxation, we chant 3 Omkara, long Om. Make a deep yoga breath. Inhale. Two more rounds. Deep breath. Inhale. Now you can slowly move your fingers, gently, slowly open your eyes. Sit. Today we're going to learn how to do Ekapada Kaundinyasana. Ekapada, one leg. Kaundinya is one of the sage name. So this posture dedicated to the sage Kaundinya. So this is also an arm balance. So that's only one leg, for example, your right leg on your right elbow. So this practice you need to strengthen like a Bhagasana, Adho Mukha, Shvanasana, or Adho Mukha Vrikshasana. All the same benefit, strengthen your arms, shoulder, elbows, wrist, all the part. So this is also we start from the Adho Mukha Shvanasana, or also called Parvadasana. So this from Parvadasana, you can do step by step like this. You have to come to the launch pose. It's called deep launch. You keep your right foot outside your right palm. And gradually put your right hand through under your thigh to outside of your right foot. Next step. And another, and slowly lift your right leg. And try to straight your knee slowly. Then lean forward, and you can keep your elbow beside of your abdomen, on your side abdomen muscle. Then you get more balance. So make sure your elbows are 90 degrees, and slowly lean forward and lift your back leg up. So we start from the Parvadasana only. So this practice, you need to engage your full legs, your toes and thighs, straight your knees. And if you also focus like a Vrikshasana, like a downward, like the handstand, focus on your fingertips, wrist. So this all work on your wrist, elbows and shoulder. And keep your head straight forward. So we go through the practices like you need a lot of flexibility on your hamstrings. So we have to do Parshvottanasana as a beginning, as a preparation, like Parshvottanasana, like stretch. And we go slowly to the Ashwasanjalanasana. From Ashwasanjalanasana, we practice this deep launch posture. Okay. So all of you, please stand up. The one end of the mat, like yesterday, we begin with the Utkadasana, feet together. So bring your feet together and exhale, bend your knees and keep your hands straight up. Keep your hands stretched up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your knee, and exhale, go to Padahastasana. 1. Touch your head on your knee. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now raise your head up and take your right leg as far back you can. So this is called Parshvottanasana. Keep your knees straight, inhale, and exhale, touch your head on your knee. Breathe. Okay. Keep your right leg far back you can, and keep your front leg straight. Front knee straight. Straight your front leg. Both legs straight. Both legs straight. Okay. Back leg and front leg straight, and touch your head on your knee. Parshvottanasana is like it's prepare for your hamstring muscle, loosening your hamstring muscle. Breathe. 1. Archana, straight your knee. Straight your knee. Front leg straight. 4. Very good. Inhale, head up, and take your leg front again, Padahastasana. Inhale, exhale. Next, inhale, your head up, and take your left leg as far as you can, far back. Inhale, keep your both knees straight. Exhale, you have to knee. Repeat other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to Padahastasana. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, head up, and separate your feet nicely. And practice in this counting posture, also called Pranamasana, like this. Slowly bend your knee. Keep your palms in the center of your chest, on your sternum, your thumb on your sternum, and look in between your eyebrows. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, exhale, head down. Next inhale, keep your hands straight forward. Inhale, rise your heels up and look on your tip of your nose and slowly lift your back leg up. Hold the breath. 1. Lift your toes up. Bhagasana. Practice the Bhagasana like yesterday. Keep your head up. Keep your head up and touch your toes together. Touch your big toes together. 2, 3, 4, 5. And go back to scouting posture. Inhale, exhale. Relax your head down and breathe normally. Repeat like this 2 more times. Inhale, hold the breath. Look on your tip of your nose, lean forward and rise your heels up. Lean much more forward and slowly rise your toes up. Practice Bhagasana. 1, 2, hold the breath. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, relax. Breathe normally. One more time. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, lean forward, look on the tip of your nose. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go to Parvadasana. Exhale, go to Parvadasana. Exhale. Now slowly rise your right leg up, right leg up. Stay here. Breathe normally. Look on your toes. 1. Keep your knees straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. So take your leg in between your palm. Come to Ashtasanjarasana. Your right leg front, left leg back. Slowly keep your palms on your knees like this. Both palms on your knee. Inhale and exhale. Lower your hip down. Slowly close to the floor. Breathe normally. And every inhale, your body little bit down, down. Stay there for 10 breaths. 2. And make sure your knee not bend beyond your toes level. Keep your toes and knees same level. Hold on. Now slowly keep your both hands inside your foot and gradually take your right foot outside the mat. Right foot slowly take outside the mat. So this is called a deep lunge. You can lift your back knee up. Inhale, straight your back knee, and exhale, bend your knee, touch your knee on the floor. Repeat this 5 times. Inhale, straight your back leg, and exhale, touch your knee down. Inhale, straight your back knee, exhale, down. Repeat 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Now we're slowly going to bend your elbows, touch your elbows on the floor, and relax your neck down. Again, keep repeating the pose practice. Inhale, straight your back knee up, exhale, down. Repeat several times. Inhale, lift your back knee up, exhale, down. So touch your elbows on the floor and keep repeat practice. Inhale, lift your back knee up, exhale, down. Continue 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now you're going to slightly twist your spiral. You keep your elbow on the floor, your left elbow on the floor, and right palm on your inside your right knee, and gradually push your knee and try to straight your right elbow. Push your knee outside, straight your right elbow. And you can look up on the ceiling. Slowly turn your neck and look on the ceiling. Breathe. Diba, you bend your knee, keep your elbow on the floor, your left elbow on the floor, and right palm inside your right knee, and just push your knee outside and try to straight your right elbow. Straight your right elbow and look on the ceiling. Okay, Ambuja is straight your elbow. And Diba, you keep your back leg more stretched backward, backward. You can keep practicing, like lift your knee up with inhale and touch your knee down with exhale. Open your lip. Now come back, and what you do, slowly keep your palm through under your thigh. Keep your palm just outside your right foot. Slowly come on, rise your elbow up. So now what have your right hand outside your right foot, and your thigh come above your upper arm. Again, lift your back knee up. Slowly lift your back knee up. Straight your back leg. Inhale, exhale. You can repeat many times, like inhale, straight your back knee, exhale down. So you gradually feel the weight on your upper arm, your leg weight on your upper arm. Gradually you can move your feet slightly outside. So you slowly take your foot outside, gradually outside the palm now. So now your thigh on your upper arm, foot outside. You feel the weight on your hand. And gradually you can lift your leg up, your right foot slowly up. Feel the weight, just feel the weight on your, more weight on your arms. Okay, did you get the idea? Slowly take your foot slowly up. Once again, I'll show you. Look at me. After this opening, you gradually put your hand inside to outside. Okay, place outside your foot. Then you straight your left hand straight. Gradually take your right foot inside and make your palm on the mat, both palm on the mat. Now practice the same exercise, inhale and exhale. Your back leg, inhale straight and exhale down. So gradually, when inhale straight your knee and slowly you feel the weight on your upper arm, gradually move your feet outside. So now your hand inside, foot outside. And your thigh on your upper arm. So this is the next step. Then from here, you slowly lean forward and try to lift your foot up little bit up. Okay, just like this, lift up, try to lift up. Okay. First you open your knee and slowly put your right hand under your thigh, place your palm outside your foot. Okay, so with that you keep your palm just straight level of your foot. Yes, straight level, okay. And gradually bring your foot inside. So now your foot on your mat, both palms on the mat. Good. Now practice to straight your back leg. Inhale, straight your back leg, exhale down. So from now you feel a lot of weight on your hand, all the weight on your hand. Good. Now keep your back leg straight and gradually take your right foot outside, gradually outside, without lose the thigh from above your arm. Good. Now you slightly lean forward and lift your foot up, little bit. Keep practicing. Okay, this is the posture. Now stay here. Just lift your foot up. No need to straighten your knee. Just lift your foot up. Keep your knee bent is okay. Keep your knee bent. And Ambuja, this is like a Bhagasana. It's different from Bhagasana. Your knee should be outside your upper arm. Okay, not back side, outside. Yes. Yeah, more front. Very good, more front. Then lift up. Should not bring your knee back off your arm. Should be Your knee should be point forward. Your knee not back of your arm. Knee should be front of your upper arm. Yeah, like this. Different is this one. If you put keeping this back, this is different. This is you cannot. So keep your knee always forward. Right. Good. Once you come this posture, keep your knee bent. Don't need to straight now. Keep your knee bent and gradually bend your left elbow on the side of the abdomen. Okay. Then lean forward and lift your back leg up. Gradually lean forward and bend your left elbow. Keep your elbow on the side of your abdominal muscle. This place here. And lift your back leg up straight. And straight your right knee on the last. Last only you straight your right knee. Good. Now place your left elbow side of your abdomen. Keep your right foot up. Good, good try. Keep practicing. Ambuja, straight your knee, back knee straight. Not right leg straight. Right leg keep bent. Only straight your back leg. Now touch your elbow, left elbow, side of your abdomen and bear the weight on your abdomen. Then slowly lean forward and lift your back leg slowly up. And Deepa, before that, you have to lift your right foot a little bit up. Right foot up. See, you support your elbow inside. Keep your elbow inside. So you feel less weight on your hand. After this, only you straight your knee. Straight your knee and look on your toes. Okay, after achieve this balance, slowly straight your right leg. So once again, I will show you step-by-step practice. Launch, deep launch, exhale. Keep your hand inside, foot outside. Inhale, exhale, bend. Inhale, exhale, push your knee out. And slowly put your hand under your thigh. You just lift your leg with your upper arm. And slowly bring it closer. Keep your both palms on the mat. Inhale, straight your back leg. Exhale, just lift your right foot. And again, inhale, lean forward. Bend your elbow side of your abdomen. Hold the breath. Lean forward. And slowly try to straight your right leg. That's it. And come back the same way. So when you're balancing on the posture, inhale and hold the breath for 5 seconds. Good try. 1, to lift your back leg up, move up. 2, head up, move. 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. So practice one more time. From the beginning, do Parvadasana. Exhale. Good. Right leg up. Inhale. And exhale. Ashtasanjalanasana. Keep your palm on your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Lower your hip down. Now slowly keep your hands down. Both elbow down. Slowly take your right foot outside the mat. Gradually. Outside the mat, inhale. Good. And slowly exhale, push your right knee with your right palms, look up. Good. Slowly put your right hand through under your thigh, place outside beside us. And slowly bring your foot inside and both palms on the mat. Slowly straight your back knee up. Inhale, back knee up. Back knee straight. Slowly move your foot outside and little bit lift up. Keep your knee bent. Inhale, exhale, bend your elbow. Touch your left elbow on side of your abdomen. You lean forward and lift your back leg slowly up. And deeper, you touch your elbow on your abdomen. Left elbow on your abdomen. Elbow bend inside, bend inside. Good. Take support and slowly, once you get balance, straight your right knee slowly straight. Look on your tip of your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, come back to Ashwasanjalanasana and inhale, exhale, Parvadasana. Good. Now rise your left leg up, again left leg up. Repeat another side, left leg up, inhale. Keep your left foot between. Come to lodging, stay here for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, slowly. Every exhale, a little bit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, hands down, deep lunge. Slowly take your left foot outside. Practice this, your back knee up, inhale up and exhale down. Repeat 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your elbows, both elbows. Keep practicing. Back knee, lift up, inhale and exhale. 1, 2, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5. Keep your right elbow on the floor. Inhale, exhale. Push your left knee with your left palm and look on the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your left palm under your thigh, left upper arm under your thigh. Slowly lift your left arm. Keep your back knee straight and inhale straight up. And gradually bring your foot inside more and keep all the weight on your hand, your thigh above your upper arm. Feel your thigh, hamstring muscle on your upper arm. Gradually take your left foot outside, lift your foot up. Inhale. Exhale, touch your right elbow on your abdomen. Lean forward, rise your back leg up. Once you get balanced, straight your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Repeat one more time. Go Parvadasana again. I will exhale. Rise your left leg up. Inhale. Good. Ashwasanjalanasana. Exhale. Inhale, straight your spinal. Inhale. And exhale, lower your hip as much as you can down. Exhale. And keep your both palms inside. Good. Take your legs slowly outside. Inhale. Straight your back knee. And exhale. Bend your knee. Good. Now slowly bend your elbow. Inhale, exhale, bend your elbow. Again, inhale, lift your back knee up. Exhale down. Repeat 3-4 times. It's good to loosen your back hamstring muscles. Now slowly put your left hand under your thigh and lift your both elbow up. Keep your leg inside, both palms on the mat. And with the upper arm, you lift your thigh up. Feel the weight, your thighs weight on your upper arm. Lift your thighs up. Back knee straight up. Slowly lift your toes. Lift your toes. Excellent. Now inhale, exhale, bend your right elbow. Keep your elbow little inside. Right elbow, side of your abdomen, side abdomen. Lean forward. Keep your head up. Shiva, keep your head up. Lean forward and lift your back leg up. Right leg slowly lift up. After balance, straight your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Good. Go back slowly. Parvadasana. Exhale. Excellent. Now you slowly sit down. Sit down and do Paschimottanasana. You all know Paschimottanasana? Yes. Paschimottanasana is a good relief from the Kaundinyasana. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay 5 more breath. Go more deeper. Adjust your buttocks. Right, left. Inhale. Straight your spine. Exhale. Head further forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, straighten your spine up. And exhale, twist your spine to the right. Inhale. And exhale, adjust your head on the floor. Then down. Salutation for the Mother Earth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back and you lay down Shavasana. Slowly turn your body and lay down. Keep your head face to some salutation side. Lay down Shavasana. Quickly rotate your mind through different parts of your body. From your toes to top of your head. Bring your awareness on your toes and relax your toes, ankles, relax your ankles. Move your mind through your shin bone upward, your knees, thigh muscles, hip joints, buttocks muscles. Move your mind on your back, relax your lower back, middle back, upper back, whole spine, relax your whole back, shoulder blades. Relax your fingers, palms, wrist, forearms, elbows, upper arm, shoulder joints. Now bring your awareness on your abdomen. You are doing abdomen breathing. Relax your abdomen. Move your mind up, chest. Inhale, exhale, relax your chest, collarbones, throat, chin, lips, teeth, tongue, cheek muscles, ears, nose, eyes, eyebrows, eyebrow center, forehead, right side of the head, left side of the head, back of the head, top of the head, whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Become aware of the whole body, relax the whole body. Furthermore, relaxation, chant 3 long Om with feelings and awareness. After every Om, feel the vibrations spreading your whole body. Inhale the yoga breath. Enjoy the relaxation. Now become aware of your physical body. Begin to move your fingers, toes, head from side to side. Gently move your body. Turn your body to the right side. With the help of your both hands, slowly sit up. Sit in a meditative posture. Let us conclude with the Shanti mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santhu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhave Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much for your nice cooperation. Shishye Nilapeho. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow
Bye, sir.
there is no class. Sunday is holiday. You see you on Monday. Okay.
Thank you,
We
sir.
practice Sunday. Sunday we practice sun salutation. Only sun salutation. 12 rounds. Okay. Have a good evening. Good day. Bye.
Bye, sir.